that is still there.
Mr. Advani, I'll come back to the Jinnah statement, drawing
Right.
from all this. But tell me, since we are on Musharraf and that phase of terrorism, one question that has never been answered satisfactorily, the Kandahar hijack. Do you now regret that we made too much of a concession? Because it's now, every time you raise questions about this government's record on terrorism, Kandahar is brought back.
It's brought back by people who themselves suggested. After all, I would not remember the exact who was present there, but there was an all-party meeting after the incident, and in which all-party meeting, the general advice given to the government was, you decide how to deal with the issue, how to deal with the crisis. But from our side, the safety of the passengers should be the first priority.
Did the Congress also say that?
I don't remember. As I said, I remember an all-party meeting.
But where was the need for Mr. Jaswant Singh to go on that plane?
That's a side issue. That's a very side issue.
But that's now become a central issue because
They have made it a central issue. After all, he thought that there would be other diplomats also there, and he would be able to answer it best.
No,
but I have always said that I was not happy with the decision.
So, not happy with the decision to release terrorists?
Yes, I was not happy with the decision, but at the same time, the lives of 160 passengers being at stake, and the information that we got, which I have mentioned in the book, that they are likely to blow up the plane if government of India doesn't.
Did you ever raise this with Mr. Jaswant Singh? Where was the need for you to go? Because that will remain now. It will be every time you raise questions on this government's record on terrorism.
I think I don't have to answer that. It is he alone who can say precisely. And
but have you asked him?
Yes, we have talked about it occasionally, but I don't want to say anything. Let him say it, whatever he wants to say.
No, but you had a preeminent position in the government at that point.
I was part of the. He was also an important man.
But looking back, would you say it was a wrong decision? It was avoidable?
I wouldn't say anything. I would say that it would be fair for him to answer that.
But
because this is not part of the decision. Decision was related to whether they should be left or not. And that was a joint decision by the Cabinet Committee on Security.
But going on the plane was his own decision?
I wouldn't say. I wouldn't know that. He must have consulted Vajpayee ji. But that was not certainly, it was not an issue at all. And this issue was raised also by many others much later.
No, but in which country would the External Affairs Minister himself escort on a tiny plane?
He is not escorting, he is trying to bring back the passengers. But I don't think that I am answerable for that. If the National Security Committee on Security had taken a decision, it did not.
But it did not. And you were not consulted on this?
I did not know about it.
So when did you get to know that he had gone on that plane?
I came to know when he was going.
And did it raise a question in your mind then?
No, it didn't.
Kya zarurat hai?
It didn't. It didn't. After all, passengers were to be brought back from there, and they were in a bad shape.
But a joint secretary could have done it.
Okay. But it's not that kind of issue that has been sought to be made by our adversaries.
But why has he not answered it as yet?
I don't know.
He can answer it in 1 second, saying that, because
you have greater access to him than to me.
Well, he doesn't answer it. He's written an autobiography. He said when time comes, there were important issues.
He has said this about that?
Yes, absolutely. He said I can't disclose it. When time comes, I will disclose it. So it sounds like there was a very important issue.
I don't know. I would not know it.
Was any money paid along with the hostages?
I don't. Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
And you will say that for sure?
Sure. Because if there was any aspect of money, I would certainly have been consulted.
Whatever funds it was coming from?
Whatever funds it may have come, I would have been shocked.
You would have been?
I would have been shocked.
Right. In the past 4 years, Mr. Advani has made 2 efforts to do a course correction for his party. And both times, the party has not accepted it or not understood it. One was a statement on Jinnah, and the second was when you try to nuance your party's approach to the nuclear deal.
No, don't mix it up with that, because on the nuclear deal, I am still not convinced with the government's arguments that it doesn't in any way put constraints on our nuclear strategy. I'm not convinced about that. If they had adopted what I suggested, namely a course of action by amending the Indian laws so that the Hyde Act would not apply to us, if they had consulted the BJP on this issue at length.
Can that
and
still be
honestly,
done? Laws
I don't know. It's for them to decide.
No, but having known the laws, you think the laws can be amended and protections can be created?
Yes, it can be created.